used to laugh at people with plastic lawns. Now I've got plastic plants. It's funny how it all turns out. These are actually quite good. These are from B&M. I think that one looks quite realistic. What do you think? Yeah, this isn't too bad. It's probably going to get on my nerves. But it's lifted the place a little bit, which is what it needs this time of year. Spring cleaning, get everything nice and fresh. What I have got to do is put 2 skylights in. I've got a normal one for the front. I was going to get a max there for above the bed because it was 31 degrees in here the other day. It's not even summer. So yeah, also the fridge has got to be done. So I've got to cut 3 big holes in the van, which aren't going to happen in this video. I've got a list now because I've had to have a tooth out. Hopefully I'll start whistling soon as well. That would be lovely, wouldn't it? Sunbeam, he's running about outside, but he's got his little collection of toy money there. Living the dream, look at this. How's that?
One pair of pants later.
Yes! Get in! Look at that! I can finally lie on the bed with a lovely view. Here I am by a lake, just having a little sort out, excuse the mess. Yeah, I'm very happy. Before you think I'm a work-shy scrounger, look, evidence of work this morning, so I have been tiling. Yeah, very happy, and I hope everyone watching this is also very happy in their lives. I've waited so long for this weather, it's just amazing. Parked on grass as well, look, grass. Got a little bathroom to do. Although it's technically not van life, there's a lot of questions in the van life groups about how to make money. This is how I make mine. We're nearly at the end of day 1 and it's going all right. That was a lovely night's sleep. It was really quiet here. That's a lovely view from the bed, isn't it? Shame it's not sunny, but you can't have everything. I see the locals are keeping their distance. Bless them. I parked up with Katie and we're going to try and put in a new floor, which I managed to procure from a job. This click system natural oak. It's already got the rubber on the bottom. Oh, hello, someone's touching me up. You're going to be in the video for that.
What follows is a brief construction montage. We hope you enjoyed this brief construction montage.
I say you there. Do you like your floor?
Lovely. Thank you.
Back at the lake. Going to do a little bit more work inside the van. I might do the step area that needs doing or the cladding above the kitchen. That's my mate Errol's van there. There he is. He's very small. There's a lot of activity out here tonight on the industrial estate. I've just had 4 cars practically stop next to the van and then carry on really slowly. And now there's someone parked at the end of that road with their headlights shining on me.
I decided to drive around the estate to investigate. I wasn't the only one.
So it's some sort of car meet. There's people all on the side of the road, drag racing, all sorts of shit. Jesus Christ, there's fucking loads of them. This is why I couldn't sleep. Well, there's Errol. He seems alright. Well, that was exciting. I'm by a duck pond now. Hopefully I'll get a decent night's sleep. There you go. There's Errol, going to chop some wood. He's got permission to clear out those woodlands, so he's doing all right. We're both parked up here. I'm doing a bit of work, putting some shelves up. There we go, quite happy with that. That's going to go up there somewhere, and then there's going to be a little bit around the front edge just to hold some little trinkets and stuff on. So we're losing the sun, but it's lovely to have literally nothing else to do. So I've given this shelf my all, totally overbuilt it. I'm going to have some of that non-slip stuff there, and we'll see what goes in it. Gandalf's pipe. A wizard is never late, Frodo Baggins. He arrives precisely when he means to. It's a kite. Kite versus crows.
It is not the man who has too little, but the man who craves more that is